Ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial is about getting rid of the new adware type application called DigitalSphere. DigitalSphere is the adware that specifically attacks Mac computers. This adware, called DigitalSphere, may be spread through integration with a lot of free applications. Therefore, in most of the cases, users download and install it absolutely unintentionally. If this DigitalSphere was somehow installed into your Mac computer, of course you should undertake the measures and urgently get rid of this adware. So check your applications. If you find this DigitalSphere among the list of other programs, you need to right-click on it and select the option to move it to the trash. If you see anything else that is suspicious, of course don't hesitate to get rid of it. There is a great program that can help you wisely remove all other possible malware or adware. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner for this purpose. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then begin investigating your computer. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.